Good day, gents. Welcome to Assembled Style. Amazon Prime Day is coming up, and today I'm sharing 18 menswear essentials every man should grab before these deals disappear. Now, these are all practical upgrades that will make your wardrobe look better, last longer, and help you feel more put together. You'll find all the links down below or in my Amazon storefront. Let's just jump right into it. First up, solid wooden hangers. If you're still using cheap plastic or wire hangers, you're risking shoulder dents and stretched out collars. Wooden hangers not only protect the shape of your shirts and jackets, but also makes your closet look more organized and elevated. It's really like one of the simplest upgrades you can make. Next, trouser hangers. Now, there are some that have, the clamps or felt bars that grip your pants. And those are great. They keep your trousers hanging straight to prevent creases along the legs and help maintain that crisp, press line. But I personally like these. These are very thin, and if you have a lot of pants like I do, these save a lot of space. Number three, Cedar shoe trees, wooden shoe trees. If you wear leather shoes, these are a non-negotiable. They absorb moisture, prevent odor, and maintain the shape of your shoes, especially, around the toe box. Had these for years, still look great. Now the fourth one, it's a bit big. It's a bit too big to bring here on frame. I'll see if I can get it. Fourth is a Barnelli Pro Luxury Ironing Board. Now, if you ever struggled with a flimsy board that wobbles, collapses, or leaves crease marks from the metal plate of the board, you know how frustrating it is. Now, the one that I suggest is extra sturdy and has a wide surface and folds flat so it doesn't take up much space. And you could pair it with a quality steam iron and you'll never dread ironing again. I paid retail for this, and at first I thought I was an idiot because it was very expensive at the time. But looking back, I'm glad I made that investment. And I don't, and I really believe in that saying, and is, price is forgotten, but quality is remembered. And that's how I feel about this ironing board. Take advantage if it's on sale during Prime Day. Okay, number five, a dependable steam iron. A good iron makes it so much easier. Oh, wow. Sorry, I got distracted by the reflection. So a dependable steam iron. A good iron makes it so much easier to get crisp lines on your dress shirts and trousers. You cannot accomplish that with just using a steamer. Which leads me to the sixth item, a garment steamer. This is perfect for quickly cleaning up those wrinkles or delicate fabrics that can't handle, a hot iron. I use it on all my unstructured, sport jackets and casual button downs. Even this linen shirt, just a few passes and the wrinkles will disappear. Don't waste your money on those big fancy ones. I've tried those in the past, and this little guy has held up so much longer and it's still going after like 4 years. Now, seventh, a complete shoe polishing kit. If you wear leather dress shoes, polishing is essential to keep the leather moisturized and looking rich. These kits usually come with, polish, brushes, and cloths, everything you need, to bring doll shoes back to life. If you guys have watched my past videos, you guys have seen what I did with thrifted shoes. A lot of them look brand new now. Number eight, a long-handled shoe horn. Now this is one of those things you don't realize you need until you use it. It helps, slide into your shoes without crushing the heel, which prevents creases and extends the life of your shoes. Now, to follow up with that one, ninth, a small travel shoe horn. This is perfect to keep in your gym bag, suitcase, pocket, whatever when you're at the airport, so you never get stuck fighting with your shoes when you're on the go. 10th item, a good lint roller. If you wear dark colors, lint and pet hair show up instantly. Keep one of these in your closet, in your car, wherever where you can do a quick touch up before you head out. Now, this could go in the shoe polishing kit category, but I'm gonna talk about it anyways. Number 11, a leather conditioner. This keeps your leather shoes, belts, and bags from drying out and cracking. Just apply, a small amount every few months or so you can just keep it, soft and supple. 12th item, collar extender buttons. Now, if you have shirts that feel too snug at the neck, these give you an extra like half inch without, needing to replace, your shirts. They're great if you wear ties often or you just want a little bit of extra breathing room. My weight fluctuates a lot, so I sometimes have to use one of these. 13th item, collar dots. These are like small adhesives that holds your collar or anything in place, really. They don't flare out or collapse, It's so useful if you decide to go tieless and just want a clean, crisp look. Like right now, I'm showing a little bit too much of this, too much man cleavage right now that I'm not really comfortable showing so much. So I'm gonna use that right here. I'm gonna apply that on that, and I'm just gonna press. There you go. See that? And you could do this like to keep your pocket square in place, or fold up your sleeve, anything really. Now the 14th item, I don't know where it's at, but they are these $1 million collar inserts. Now these are one of my favorite style hacks. They go inside of the pocket, so the shirt stands upright and it doesn't fold over. It's perfect for a polished, open collar look and very easy to install from your tailor, or if you know how to use a sewing machine, you could easily do this yourself as well. All right, 15th item, shirt stays. Now these clip to your socks or around your thighs to keep your shirt perfectly tucked in all day. No more muffin top, no more readjusting throughout the whole day. 16th item, comfortable undershirts. Now these protect your dress shirts from sweat and deodorant marks, which helps them last longer and saves on dry cleaning. Thompson tees are my personal favorite for preventing sweat and odor seeping through. I've put it through a stress test on this channel before. 100% works. 17th item, a slim leather wallet. Bulky wallets, we all know they create a big bulge in your pocket, and that can ruin the line of your trousers. And those gimmicky steel wallets that have like these card pop, that make your cards pop, come on, those are just, it's just a gimmick product and it's completely unnecessary. A slim wallet is all you need. It keeps your essentials organized without the bulk and will forever be in style. And it gets better with age. This thing is, the patina is just beautiful on this one. And finally, number 18, a clean, minimal watch. An affordable minimal watch that isn't like from a junk company. This is one of the simplest upgrades you can make. It finishes off any outfit and signals that you pay attention to the details. I always suggest going with a heritage brand, and the one that I found that looks nice without, a heavy price tag is this Timex watch. Wow, is this Timex watch. I really like this one. I may pick this one up. I currently have the Weekender. This has served me well, and it's still going strong after, I don't know, 8+ years. And those are 18 menswear essentials I recommend grabbing this Prime Day. All of the links are down below and in my Amazon storefront if you want to check them out. And if you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more men's style guides and how-to content, and comment below which of these you already own or what you plan to pick up. And hey, maybe suggest something that maybe I missed. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.